What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And the reason I'm wearing this shirt is because unless you've been under a rock for the past week or so, you've noticed that LMR kind of turned the new edge Mustang world upside down. And they did this by releasing their very own amber taillights for the 1999 to 2004 Ford Mustang. Just over 15,000 Cobras were built in 1999 and 2001 combined. I think just shy of 8,100 in 99 and just over 7,200 in 2001. And aside from the 300 2000 Cobra R Mustangs, that's it. Now, this does not include those export cars, and once in a while those export taillights will pop up. So I'm just going to strictly talk about the OEM 99, 2000, 2001 Cobra taillights. So I can remember when those taillights were going for about $300, and honestly at the time I thought that was a little extreme. Then they started creeping up, $500, $600, $700, $1,000, $1,500. And pretty soon people were asking up to $2,000 for a set of mint condition amber taillights, often, but not always, including the taillight harness, which you kind of need to make the amber turn signals actually work. Well, last week, LMR kicked the doors in and created their very own amber taillights with a retail price of $349. Talk about a game changer. They also have some type of a wiring harness that you can use. I think it was about, I don't know, 25 or 30 bucks. When I looked at it, unfortunately, they were not in stock. The taillights were in stock, but within one day, completely sold out. Now, I'll be honest, I almost bought those taillights twice already. They look really good. Aside from the LMR marking, I believe, which is inside the amber part of the taillight, they look OEM. They might not be perfectly exactly OEM, but they're pretty darn close. And yeah, they look pretty good. But let's get back to the reason that people buy it. And that's my question for all of you out there. Is it the style or is it the exclusivity? Now, what some people think LMR did was totally destroy the amber taillight market, because who wants to spend $1,500 or $2,000 for an OEM when you can get the LMR equivalent for $350? And I say, I agree, but I disagree. Here's why I agree. If you're in it for the style, why pay $1,500 to $2,000 for the amber taillights when you can get them for $350, all in, let's say $400 with shipping and that taillight harness modification. But if you're hell-bent on OEM parts, you're still going to pay that premium price. And I was watching, I think it was Danny Johnson talking about headlights. My Terminator has its OEM Ford headlights, and I really, really like them compared to the aftermarkets. Now, an OEM set of Ford headlights in great shape is going to get a premium. I've seen them anywhere between $700 and $1,000. As compared to an aftermarket set of headlights, you can get them all day online for, I don't know, $60 to $80. The same, but different. I think the same thing is going to happen with these LMR taillights. Now, getting back to me, I'm looking at my car, and I actually did a rendering. I'll put the rendering up here of my car with the amber taillights, and they look really good. If you remember, I do have a pair of sequential harnesses on this car, so they are the OEM red taillights that came on this 04 Cobra, but I do have the Raxiom sequential harnesses, which I think look really good. So I don't know, I'm kind of torn. Do I want to swap out to the ambers? Short answer, yeah. Long answer, I don't know. So I ended up holding off, and by that time they were sold out. So maybe it's a mixed blessing. I don't know. I don't know if I absolutely love the ambers. I think they're cool, but I think for me, quite honestly, it was an exclusivity thing. I think it made it kind of cool to have that rare taillight option on my Cobra. But now, they may be on everything. They're going to be on V6s, they're going to be on GTs, they're going to be on Cobras. So my advice to you is, if you like the way they look, go for it. I think they look really, really good. I don't know if I absolutely love them. I don't know if it's a need to have. Who knows? Maybe I'll just buy them because the price really isn't too bad. But if you were trying to get that kind of niche look, it's that ship has sailed. You're not going to get that, because more often than not, you're going to find that these taillights are going to become more commonplace than they ever were. you might find that red taillights become more of a rarity because everybody's going to move to the LMRs. But I do think it's awesome that LMR is coming out with these parts, because I have friends who have OEM ambers and they're going to pull them off, put the LMRs on there, and keep their OEM ambers in perfect shape. That's a really cool idea. Now, there's been a lot of talk about what's next. Is LMR now going to reproduce the 0304 Cobra rear bumper? Are they going to reproduce the 0304 Cobra folding mirrors? Maybe. I mean, when aftermarket companies started kind of reproducing the Terminator front bumper, they became everywhere. They became everywhere. They were on Mach 1s, they were on GTs, they were on V6s, and whatever. I mean, imitation is the highest form of flattery. And in my opinion, the Terminator Cobra is the best looking Mustang ever made, so I guess it kind of makes sense. So LMR, I want to say awesome job. I love that you continuously reproduce parts for these cars, keeping them alive. They are 20 to 25 years old. They are classic cars at this point, and parts are tough to get used, so it's nice to have a brand new alternative. But at the same time, they're kind of encroaching upon some of those exclusive parts and making them less valuable, I think. So my question for you is, what do you think about the amber taillights? Do you think this is a home run? Do you think this is good for us? Do you think this is bad for us? Do you plan on purchasing some amber taillights from LMR? And I think there's another company, I forget the name, that's also going to reproduce them. So, like I said, this is something that's been very, very big. A lot of people have been joking about it. A lot of people have been throwing hate at LMR for reproducing these. A lot of people have been making fun of the whole amber taillight craze. Again, my feeling is they look good, but I don't know if they look good enough to replace the ones on my car. I think for me, it was more of an exclusivity thing. I'm not quite sure if it was a style thing. Overall, I think it's awesome. So do me a favor, sound off in the comments. Let me know what you think about these taillights. Let me know if it's good for us, if it's bad for us, and if you plan on purchasing them. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.